This is the Proscenic Hummingbird, I think? P9 Hummingbird vacuum cleaner. So I recently got this vacuum cleaner for my wife and she really likes it. And I really like it as well. In fact, I would say this is probably the most versatile vacuum cleaner I've ever used. Real quick, I just want to talk about some of the things I really like about this vacuum cleaner and why I think it's so fantastic. For one, because it's battery operated, it's very portable, it's easy to take anywhere. I've used this in my car. You can vacuum any area of the house and you don't have to worry about cords. That's really nice and convenient. It also comes with a lot of attachments. So you have like the basic attachments, so you can vacuum normal carpet, you can vacuum thin carpet, you can vacuum the floor. It has an attachment like this where you can vacuum upholstery in the car, or I will even use this one to, I've dusted my computer with this. I've dusted my desk. It's nice for dusting because it will move the dust around and suck it up. Really cool. It comes with an attachment specifically, I think, for the stairs, that it has a roller on, but it's a small attachment. So it's nice and easy to do the stairs as well. So for a vacuum cleaner, I would say it's pretty quiet. I mean, quiet for a vacuum cleaner. It's certainly more quiet than most vacuum cleaners that you would plug into a wall. So this vacuum cleaner, you can plug it in directly to charge it. You can also install a mount on your wall so that you can hang it up on your wall. This main dustbin, it's really easy to just press this little button and this comes down and you can take all the dust and collections from inside it. So here's a quick video of me just vacuuming one room. You can see it's nice and easy to vacuum. It's very light. In fact, it's so lightweight that my 2-year-old son can play with this. It'll be nice when he can actually vacuum, but for now, he likes it so much he won't even let me vacuum. And you can see from just vacuuming this one room, I was able to collect quite a bit of stuff from this, and also on the roller heads, you can see that it gets a lot of hair and a lot of fabric and it pulls up a lot of stuff. So it works just like a normal vacuum cleaner would. It's very powerful. I would say the only drawback I see with this vacuum cleaner is obviously it's not going to be as powerful as a vacuum that you plug into the wall. And for me personally, I don't really care that much because it's worth it for the convenience of being able to use a battery operated vacuum cleaner. I can get the whole house with this. I can get the stairs, I can get my car, I can, when I'm working on projects, if I had a garage, I could use it in the garage. It's a really nice, versatile vacuum cleaner. Another thing I really like about this vacuum cleaner is when you need to clean it and you need to clean the roller heads come out really nice and easy. Unlike a typical vacuum cleaner where the roller heads are kind of usually stuck in the vacuum cleaner itself, with this vacuum you can take it completely out very easily. This makes it a lot easier to clean the roller heads, which is really nice. Overall, I think this is a perfect vacuum cleaner to suit our needs. Like I mentioned before, it's not as powerful as your typical plug-in-the-wall vacuum cleaner. So if you have a large house, I probably wouldn't recommend this to be the only vacuum cleaner that you have, but I'd certainly still recommend it because this can get to areas that it's not possible with your normal vacuum cleaner.